Using keyboard to play Roblox on iPad.
Welcome everyone! Today, we're diving into a handy guide about how to use a keyboard to play Roblox on your iPad. Whether you're an expert Roblox player looking to take your game to the next level, or a beginner wanting to have a more PC-like experience, this video is just for you.
Can you use a keyboard to play Roblox on iPad?
Let's start by addressing the big question. Can you use a keyboard to play Roblox on iPad? Yes, you absolutely can. With the help of Bluetooth or a physical keyboard connection, you can easily play Roblox using a keyboard. Just remember that not all games are designed with keyboard compatibility in mind, so your experience may vary depending on the game you're playing.
How to connect a keyboard to your iPad.
To start playing Roblox with a keyboard, you first need to connect the keyboard to your iPad. 1. Turn on your keyboard and set it to pairing mode. The exact steps to do this may vary based on the model and manufacturer of your keyboard. 2. On your iPad, open the Settings app. 3. Navigate to Bluetooth settings and make sure Bluetooth is turned on. 4. Under My Devices, your keyboard should appear. Tap on your keyboard's name to pair it with your iPad. That's it. Your keyboard is now connected to your iPad.
How to use the keyboard for Roblox on iPad.
Once your keyboard is connected to your iPad, you can start using it to play Roblox. 1. Launch the Roblox app on your iPad. 2. Select the game you want to play and press the Play button. 3. Once the game loads, you can use the keyboard controls to navigate through the game. Remember, the specific controls may vary from game to game. Some standard controls include using the WASD or arrow keys to move around and the spacebar to jump. And that's how you use a keyboard to play Roblox on your iPad. It's a quick, easy process that can dramatically improve your gameplay experience, especially in fast-paced or complex games. Keep practicing and have fun. Thanks for watching this video, and we hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to ask in the comment section below. Happy gaming!